During the course of a construction project, variations happen for a number of reasons. Firstly, the employer's needs may change. Secondly, during the course of the works on site, the contractor may find that further or different work is needed. And also sometimes the agreed works can't be carried out for a number of different reasons. Works can be deleted or omitted from the contract, and that is within the scope of a variation clause, but having said that, the contractor is entitled to be able to carry out the works by and large agreed, so too much of a deduction from the scope of the works could lead to certainly dispute and arguments that was breach of contract by the employer. If you don't have a variation clause in the contract, then arguably the contractor can refuse to carry out any further or different work. So having one is of great benefit, and it enables the employer to have the flexibility of having different work carried out with different materials. One important aspect for a contractor to look at in a contract is whether there's a condition precedent for payment for variations. By that I mean, is there a provision that the variation has to be agreed in writing and the price agreed in advance of the work being carried out? With bespoke contracts as opposed to standard contracts such as JCTs, sometimes there are these condition precedents. On a busy site, often verbal instructions are given, so the contractor has to be very careful that he ensures that he complies with the clause of the contract and that verbal instructions are confirmed in writing, and that before carrying out any variations, if necessary, he must get proper written approval and agreement over price. The pricing of the variation will depend on the contract, but very often construction contracts have bills of quantity or schedules with priced items, so the variation is often priced in accordance with those documents. Alternatively, if they don't exist, then the contractor is entitled to be paid a reasonable amount for the work he's carried out.